We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. Are you ready to go?
I think so. I've got my oversized warm-ups over my fleece warm-ups, t-shirt, sweatshirt, coat, nifty new toboggan, and my gloves. Now I'm ready.
We just realized that it's 24 degrees and there's a race going on. Are you up for it?
This is perfect timing. It's working. It's not frozen.
It's not frozen yet. I don't know. We had no idea there was going to be a race. So we're going to head up the stairs instead.
You might wonder what people in Louisville do when it's 24 degrees. A lot of people like to be inside where it's warm, bundled up with their hot cocoa.
But instead, we're walking Iroquois Park today.
Brisk.
So the reason you see a lot of runners here, like that guy there, is because of Derby time. You know, we're not that far off from the week of Derby, and we have this huge marathon. It is February 16, 17, something like that right now. They are out working. We're just gonna walk instead. We're heading up to the top of Iroquois Park. This is pretty new here. You used to be able to walk up here, it was all just dirt, but right now we're able to get up to the very top of Iroquois Park. We can see the host city of Louisville and beyond.
King of the world! Okay.
I'm fine. I really am fine. I just hit the...
Let's not be those walkers that get hurt.
No, I hit...
Did you hit anything?
I hit my knees, but that's about it.
Okay.
I did, I'm fine.
Okay, all right.
I caught myself. I hit my lip, so you might look like you ended up hitting me in the lip.
No. Wow.
A little bit of an accident. I tripped.
Man.
Pretty much landed in the mud.
You look like you face planted.
I did. Well, I don't know. You might have to watch my lip because it might get big.
I'm getting sort of thinking about it. Wow.
But I'm fine. He's worried about me. I really am fine. And you know what? I held the whole camera the whole time. I just wish that you would have seen the kind of fall because I had turned the camera off before I fell.
She looks so graceful. You might be wondering why we're out here. And that'd be a good question. Why are we out here? Because
we've never walked this trail before.
Cabin fever, but it's 24 degrees.
It really is cabin fever. We've been out. We have done another video. You'll either see it before this one or after.
Not sure.
But we've been out the last 3 days. In fact, it was his birthday, so we celebrated some time. But
yeah.
It was no weather like this. We were in 70-degree weather in Nashville,
like 2
Tennessee,
days ago.
2 days ago.
Yeah.
It's 24 here now.
Oh, wow. Look at those stairs. Gotta climb this.
So we only got about an inch here. We did find out that Indiana up in Columbus had like half a foot, maybe a foot. We're just not getting the snow like we used to. That is pretty far up.
Yeah, it is.
It's pretty straight up.
Whose idea is this?
I don't know, but
be
careful.
I think it was mine. No face planting, please.
Be careful.
Yeah.
There's snow and really wet leaves.
That's,
and I found that personally out myself.
That's so boring. Be careful. Do you wonder why anyone ever tells you that? Be careful, like you're going to do something other than that?
You can start seeing some of downtown. I don't know if you can see it through there.
Can you see downtown?
There's downtown right there.
Over there. And they climbed the stairway to heaven, out of breath. Wow. And now look what waits us.
Well, yeah,
straight up.
Take us to there.
Yeah, it's all. I gotta catch my breath.
Huh.
Seriously, this thing is kind of steep. Going way up there. Why? We don't know. One thing I know for sure, it's a long way down that way. Pretty, but long way down. This is awesome. We were going to take this long walk around the park to get to where we are right now. It took us what, 10 minutes?
But the deal was we walked down the 2 miles to get to our car.
Well, at least
Yeah, that was the deal.
there's some up right there. Down okay.
Well, you got to go to
I've
the
done
up.
a lot of up right now.
There's one more outlook actually here. This is the one that's made to see the city.
There you go. Speaking of seeing the city.
It's not the greatest day for a picture of Louisville. That's just that's the downtown actually. But you can see right behind that is the Ohio River. A lot of this area here is covered up by trees. This is probably the best time for anybody to come down here and see it. But this is probably, I remember as a kid, we used to come up here, we'd walk up here and just be amazed of our city, even though it's not very big. But Louisville's, I guess, pretty good size compared to some of them. If my memory is correct, this is made out of rocks from the Ohio River, which I just talked about, down by the downtown area.
It's getting a little cold. Okay. Now I think I'm ready.
I have no idea what kind of berry these are, but they have lived through the winter here. You know, honestly, our winter has been more like a really bad spring, but I finally got to see snow. And that tree right there is beautiful.
What I wouldn't give to have a Kleenex right now.
Wipe it on your shirt.
Don't look. We're about to have company.
Turn around.
Yeah, I got some more runners coming up this way. And there they go, doing something so much more healthy than I want to do. And they're running in shorts.
It never ceases to amaze me that these trees stay green all winter. This is so pretty right here.
I love this trail rules. Might want to look at number 2. Do not hike in wet conditions. You could face plant. How are you feeling, by the way?
I thought about that earlier, actually.
But we can't be tamed. But my mouth doesn't want to work.
No, it's cold. It's dropping instead of getting warmer.
It's 24. It's supposed to be in the 40s today. It doesn't feel like it's going to get there. What is this?
I don't know.
Summit Field.
Well, I didn't realize this was 45 acres up here on top.
Wow, looks like nothing up here. But it was something at one time. If you look around though, not much to look at.
It used to be a place where families came up and had picnics. In fact, if you see that thing way over there,
Yeah.
when I was a kid, my whole family would congregate over there. And then all this land, kind of low to the left of this, was where we would play softball.
Okay, and evidently over
The last...
there is where you went to potty.
Exactly. Exactly.
We hope you're enjoying this walk with us around the Iroquois Park. Really no special point to it. Do want to remind you though, if you've subscribed to the Off-Ramp Adventures channel, I can't talk. Would you make sure you're still subscribed? And if you haven't thought about it, would you? We'd appreciate it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, all right? Thanks. If you come up to the top of Iroquois Hill and you see these bathrooms, looks very Swiss inspired maybe?
Oh gosh, those go back to the 20s.
I know, they're old. Rock, it's got a chimney. You've got some childhood memories of this, right?
I do. I mean, I've lived here all my life. So yeah, I do. This was, it actually was closed in. We used to do baby showers, wedding showers. Ton of memories with my mom and dad up here taking pictures. And it's still here. I guarantee. I don't know the age of this park though, but I'd say this has to be in the 20s.
I think so.
Yeah.
That evidently at one time had some kind of electrical power, but no more. We were wondering if someone did this or was it lightning? Look at the patterns in the wood.
I really think it's lightning.
I think so too.
Hello.
Hi.
It looks like, I mean, it really does look.
It's a
It goes all the way down to the bottom.
big swatch of tree. And you were saying up here they used to have like hot chocolate stands and things like that in the winter?
Yeah, it's been probably 30 years ago. They
Really?
used to, you'd catch a trolley down at the bottom of the park, and then you'd ride all the way up here. It was decorated all the way up. And then they would have all these stands, things for the kids to do. You know, it was a big deal back then. They just don't do it anymore.
We got time on our side. We're in a
A
state
little more
of
Louisville up here. This locality. I love this rock work that they do. This is a public park too. Citywide, not state, not federal. What an awesome view. What's one of your favorite memories of Iroquois Park? Outside the family. Maybe when you were a teenager, I don't know, racing cars up here. Weren't you a hot rodder back in the day?
No.
I thought you liked muscle cars and
Oh, yeah.
spinning out tires. You were telling me, what was it, about a Mustang you had fun with?
Oh, yeah. I had a brother-in-law that had a Mustang. So he taught me how to squeal the tires and sit for like 5 minutes before you take off.
Yeah.
So we would do that. Iroquois Park was huge for teenagers. This was a place where teenagers hung out day, night, until the police came along and knocked on the door or the window.
Gotta wonder what the deal is with the helicopter. He just keeps coming over and back and forth. We're thinking maybe he's learning how to fly. I don't know. That's the drama we're bringing to the walk today.
You know, I don't know.
Why?
When we have helicopters around here, especially where we live, it's either they're looking for someone, it's the news all the time, or I don't know, we're close to Bowman Field, which might be their, training?
Yeah, come to Louisville, you'll love it. They got helicopters looking for people.
Trains, planes, and automobiles. That's what we have.
UPS, a lot. Iroquois Park looks so much like a park until you look off to the side and you see stairs like that going up. They have trails all through this park. You need to get your hike on. They can help you out. Another trail? Another trail down here.
Zigzags.
Look at that. Just all the way down there into the woods. And there's that helicopter. What is the deal? He's everywhere. Okay, we kind of gave it some thought that since there are runners out today, that the helicopter might be keeping tab on the runners in this sub-zero weather, and it has nothing to do with us. Just
It never did have anything to do with it.
just saying.
Had he landed up on the top, we might have been able to get a ride. You never know.
You know, that's what I was kind of hoping for,
That's what
actually.
I was hoping for.
You gonna land that thing, buddy?
I see the car.
We made it. We made it.
We did. We were up there, but we walked about a mile from there, twisty turned all the way around the park, and we have landed right here where the car is.
Just so you know, sometimes this gate is open. Today it's not. Not sure why. Probably because of the marathon runners.
Training.
They're
just training for the marathon.
Okay.
Marathon's not till the first week of May.
Okay. All right. You live and learn.
Coffee.
Not as bad as he does.
It's a little coffee shop across the street.
Yeah, sounds like a good idea.
Okay, let's go.
Brand new toboggan test. How you doing?
Okay, it actually looks okay.
Yeah, maybe it does.
Wait.